This is a country two-step move. We call it a stretch to a cuddle. We'll show you what it looks like. We taught this in class this week. We start off with a promenade. We go slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. There's the stretch. Then you goes quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. And then we'll show you how to get out of that cuddle. We'll show you from this direction. So we're going to go slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. All right, so let's break that part down and then we'll show them how to get out of the cuddle.
Okay, we'll start with the promenade. And I'm going to set the lady off the track for slow, slow. I'm going to cut across diagonal and slide down her arm. Quick, quick, slow. There's one more slow coming. Notice where my arms are. I'm going to create a second slow and create a stretch. The lady will match me by stretching back slightly. There we go. I've completely extended my arms to invite the rubber band stretch. Now, what's next is quick, quick. I'm going into cuddle for quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow.
Okay, let's do it from this direction and I'll explain mine. So he gives me the promenade, slow, slow. He's going to cross over quick, quick. Notice I follow him on the quick, quick. Then he's going to go, let's start that part over. So I'll go slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. And as I step forward, I'm going to go slow, but I'm actually going to go back a little bit. So like this. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. So I stretch back as he stretched back.
So, and again, it's breaking at the hip. I'm kind of setting.
It's not this.
No, I'm not leaning back. I'm taking my body back and I'm just kind of settling into my hip.
Now I don't have much weight on this foot at all. In fact, I don't have any weight on it.
I have all my weight on this back foot. I'm really into my back foot because I created the stretch. Now I'm going to wrap her up, pull her forward quickly for
quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. So let's show you how to get out of, we'll get there and then get out of the wrapper.
All right.
So here we are, we're going to go slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. So here we are, we've just finished our quick, quick.
So we'll do a basic from here.
We're going to go slow, slow, quick, quick,
in,
out, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. We'll show you from here. We were right here. Let's face the camera, see if we can do it here.
Okay.
I was on my left foot.
A small basic.
Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Okay, that is how we do a stretch to a cuddle. Thanks for taking our class. See you later. Bye-bye.